This video is for asking opinion on a user interface that I've created to see which is the more aesthetically pleasing. Currently, I've got a slicer tied to this table, and the contents of that slicer are populated or controlled, rather, by whether or not a indicator checkbox has been checked. So in this example, each of these slicer buttons will disappear as the indicator is met or the checkbox checked. In this next example, the the actual contents of the slicer will not disappear, but will instead be rearranged to move to the bottom of the slicer or change the sort order based upon if the indicator has been checked. So where as each one is completed, it will move to the bottom left, or bottom right, rather. So if you would have a look at this video and let me know what you think, I'd greatly appreciate it, and hope everyone has a great day.